So I found a website that apparently is sniping YouTube content and reposting it on their website, because I haven't given permission for any of my material to be posted on there, and they pretty much have my entire YouTube channel posted on their website. The problem is, and I'm going to show you, the problem is that it limits how you can interact with it. You know, you can't subscribe to my channel directly through it. Also, another problem with it is when I did a search online, it appears as though nobody's really addressed this website being in existence or sniping the content and reposting it. If you do a YouTube search, I don't think you're going to find any other videos yet. Excuse me. And an internet search also doesn't really turn up much information. One thing I did find is that apparently the site was first registered in January, about January 20th, 2018. And I'm going to show you where it says or pretends to be from, I guess, and what ICANN shows where it actually is located according to the registrar. What's going on, everybody? We're going to do an episode of what grinds my gears type thing. Every now and then I go online and I check and see what my internet presence is like, and I found in doing a search engine that a website had some of my content posted on it that I did not send to them to post. The website is esfilms.net. Google's kind enough to translate it from Spanish to English. So I got all kinds of genres, and I liked videos, my playlists, things of that nature. Let's go to my playlist, see what that is. No videos found, so it looks like you have to set up your own playlist on it. Let's go to contacts. And if you notice, there's some errors, you know, I'm not sure. Yam, it's got mensaje, message, it doesn't translate over well. If you go to about, this is what is ES Films, a way to get your videos to people who matter. You can show off your favorite videos and photos to the world. What about the terms of service? It goes on all this legalese. Registered users, rights to content, users retain rights they have in photos, videos, transmit users, ES Films retains full ownership license rights to all other software. User submissions, by submitting your user submissions to the site, you grant ES Films non-exclusive, royalty-free, sub-licensable, transferable, worldwide license, blah, blah, blah. Basically, you're giving it to them for free. And as you saw on their help page, it doesn't work. Their copyright policy, it prohibits the submission of any copyrighted material without the user first obtaining prior written consent by the copyright owner. I haven't given consent for them to post any of my stuff. So I have no idea what's going on. And they have posted my stuff. I checked College Humor because they're one of my favorites, but let's type in my name for my motovlogs. Okay. Oh, look. Yeah. Yep. Mine. Now this down here is funny because it has the profile, but if I click on it, yeah, Kanye West Charlemagne interview. Well, that's not me, so I don't know why it does that. But let's see if it does have a profile for me. So click on a video, let's click on the profile again. Yep. it basically rips off the banner and stuff from YouTube. And I went ahead and did an edit today about, if you're watching this on esfile.net, be aware the content's being posted there without my permission. Here's some issues I have with the site. First of all, it puts a bunch of other stuff on here that doesn't belong to me. Second, in order to add a comment, they want you to give your Facebook information, and I don't know if you're familiar, but Zuckerberg had to testify before Congress about all that. They pull comments from YouTube into it, so if you want to comment, instead of giving them your Facebook information, go to YouTube and do it. Now, Hippo Drones is on here, and he says that you can right click and open up a video in YouTube, but you can't right click on a mobile device. So what else we got going on here? Let's see. Let's go back to the translate to English. If you go to help, nothing happens. About, we looked at it earlier. Well, see, now their site's freezing up, so it's not that good. Terms of service. Scroll down, because I saw something earlier. Governed by the substantive laws of the United States, state of Texas, yada yada yada. But here is an issue I have with it also. I'll put up another tab. Let's do an ICANN and esfilms.net. Let's go to the whois.org. They're pretty good about getting data. esfilms.net. I'm not a robot. Hey, look, ESFilms, their capture works. Yeah, finally, thank you. Okay, so scroll. Mailing address for the registry. It's a .ru. It's in Moscow. All right. Phone number comes back to Russia. I looked it up earlier. So that's really fishy that this is going on. We'll look up my website, see how accurate whois is. r-ratedcustoms.com. Look up. Not a robot. See, it's got all my stuff on here. Got the email slightly misspelled, but so yeah. So basically we got a Russian website that's pretending or portraying like it's in the United States, that is grabbing content straight off YouTube and posting it on their website. There was nothing on there to allow the viewer to subscribe to the actual YouTube channel. Even though you can right click and go to YouTube to view a video, it just doesn't work that way for some people. So I'm a bit suspicious, because with my channel I've had the challenge of I'm having all these views, more than meeting the requirements for the minimum view time, but I'm not getting the subscribers. Well, if people on part of the world are pulling it through another source that I'm not aware of, and they're not given the opportunity to subscribe, then it kind of defeats things. So I just want to share this with you guys out there, all you creators, because it's not just small ones like mine, it's a lot of people. You might want to go in there and check and see what content's posted there, and if I find out more information, I'll do an update video. So take it easy, talk to you guys later, bye.